Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the robe on dress to impress. What rank is it? I don't remember. The top model silk robe. How you can recreate it if you don't have that rank yet. I don't have it yet, so I'm just going to try to recreate it to the best of my abilities. I'm going to use this in the second toggle, and I'm just going to color it red. I want my robe to be red, but obviously if you want it to be a different color, just set it to whatever color you want. You do need VIP because everything is on VIP, like what you need. Select this dress here and then select no corset and fur, and then I am just going to color everything red. Then I'm going to use this in that same red, and I'm just going to make it, I don't know what oh, and denim, I guess. I'm just going to try to make it all the same color. That's why I'm choosing that as the material. Select this one, crop and fur, and then I'm going to color it red. As you can see, it is a little bit lighter. So I'm just going to do silk there, and then red on everything else. And that is pretty much the kind of robe on dress to impress. If you don't have the title yet, if you don't have top model yet, I guess. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.